Before we go further with using AI, we need to talk about something just as important as capability and responsibility. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. It can generate useful insights, but it can also produce errors, bias, and misinformation. In this video, you will learn how to recognize the risks, understand the limitations, and most importantly, how to use AI in a way that is responsible, ethical, and effective. Because the real value of AI is not just what it can do, it is how you choose to use it. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. It can produce incorrect or misleading information while sounding confident. Because of this, users need to stay aware and not assume every output is accurate. AI does not truly understand information. It relies on patterns learned from training data. This means it may miscontext, misinterpret meaning, or produce incomplete answers. AI systems can reflect biases present in their training data. This can lead to outputs that are unfair or unbalanced. Being aware of this helps reduce unintended consequences. When using AI, it is important to consider privacy. Sharing sensitive or personal data can create risks. Users should be cautious about what information they provide. Over-reliance on AI can be a problem. If people trust outputs without questioning them, it can lead to poor decisions. AI should support thinking, not replace it. AI can contribute to misinformation if incorrect outputs are shared without verification. Because AI generated content can look realistic, it becomes harder to detect errors. Using AI ethically means considering the impact of what you create. It involves avoiding harmful uses and thinking about how outputs affect others. Transparency helps build trust. Being open about when AI is used and how it contributes to content is important for maintaining credibility. Human oversight is essential when using AI. Reviewing outputs, validating information, and correcting errors ensures better outcomes and accountability. AI can assist with decision making, but it should not replace human judgment. Final decisions should always consider context, experience, and responsibility. As AI becomes more widespread, regulations and policies are being developed. These aim to balance innovation with safety and responsible use. AI is changing how work is done. Roles are evolving, new skills are required, and organizations need to adapt to new processes. Managing AI risk involves identifying potential issues, putting safeguards in place, and monitoring results. Adjustments should be made as needed to improve outcomes. Trust is built through responsible use of AI. Ensuring fairness, accuracy, and clear communication helps create confidence in AI-driven systems. Education plays a key role in reducing risk. When people understand how AI works and its limitations, they can use it more effectively and responsibly. AI amplifies what people do. The choices users make determine the impact. Responsible use leads to positive outcomes and long-term value. AI amplifies what you do. That means your choices matter. When you stay aware of risks, verify outputs, and apply critical thinking, AI becomes a powerful tool for positive impact. But without that awareness, the same tool can lead to mistakes, bias, or poor decisions. The goal is not to avoid AI, it is to use it responsibly, because in the end, the technology does not define the outcome. You do.